In this lesson, we will explore the field of computer vision. We will discuss the techniques and algorithms used to understand and analyze images and videos, including object and facial recognition. We will also explore the various applications of computer vision in areas such as security systems, self-driving cars, and image search. We will discuss how these tools can be used to improve efficiency and productivity in various settings. You will learn how to use computer vision libraries such as OpenCV, TensorFlow, and PyTorch to process image data and gain insights. Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence, AI, that focuses on the development of algorithms and techniques that enable computers to interpret and understand visual information from the world. It involves the study of how computers can be made to understand and process images, videos, and other visual data. The field of computer vision has a wide range of applications, including image and video analysis, object recognition, facial recognition, and driver assistance systems. It is used in various industries such as healthcare, transportation, retail, and security to improve efficiency, automation, and decision-making. Computer vision relies on a combination of techniques from various fields such as image processing, machine learning, and computer graphics. It uses mathematical techniques to extract features from images and videos, and then applies machine learning algorithms to classify and recognize objects, faces, and other features in the images. Some of the key concepts and techniques used in computer vision include: image processing is the process of manipulating and transforming images using mathematical algorithms. It is used to enhance images, remove noise, and extract features from images. Feature extraction is the process of extracting important information from an image or video. It is used to identify and extract features such as edges, corners, and textures that can be used to recognize objects and faces. Object recognition is the process of identifying and locating objects in an image or video. It is used to detect and classify objects such as cars, pedestrians, and traffic signs. Facial recognition is the process of identifying and verifying individuals based on their facial features. It is used in various applications such as security, marketing, and social media. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with multiple layers to learn and recognize patterns in images and videos. It is used to improve the accuracy and efficiency of computer vision systems. Computer vision is a rapidly growing field, and recent advancements in deep learning have led to significant improvements in the accuracy and performance of computer vision systems. However, there are still challenges in the field, such as dealing with occlusion, handling variations in lighting and pose, and generalizing to new scenarios. Computer vision is an interdisciplinary field that draws on several areas of expertise, including image processing, computer graphics, machine learning, and robotics. It is an important field as it enables computers to understand and interpret visual data, which is an essential step towards creating more intelligent and autonomous systems. There are several techniques and algorithms used to understand and analyze images and videos, including object and facial recognition. Here are some examples of these techniques and algorithms. Image processing techniques are used to manipulate and transform images using mathematical algorithms. These techniques can be used to enhance images, remove noise, and extract features from images. Examples include image smoothing, image thresholding, and image segmentation. Feature extraction techniques are used to identify and extract important information from an image or video. These techniques can be used to extract features such as edges, corners, and textures that can be used to recognize objects and faces. Examples include edge detection, corner detection, and scale invariant feature transform, SIF. Object recognition techniques are used to detect and classify objects in an image or video. These techniques can be used to detect and classify objects such as cars, pedestrians, and traffic signs. Examples include scale invariant feature transform, SIFT, speeded up robust features, SURF, and histograms of oriented gradients, HOG.